Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Makeshwar. Did you unbutton it?
Unbutton it.
Now unbutton it. Rudvin. Yeah, good, Makeshwar. Thank you. Next, who has finished?
Rudvin is done.
Rudvin has done. One more time, do it, Rudvin.
I mean, button போடு button போடு போடு button போடு போடு சரி போடு
Dharmeshwar.
Ma'am, Dharneshwar is traveling, ma'am, so
Okay,
I
fine,
heard
fine.
him.
Yeah, yeah, sorry, I forgot about it. Sorry.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine, Marudvin. Thank you, children. So, Sukrit Gautam, finish.
No, ma'am, he's trying only. He's taking it out, but he's not putting it in.
Unbuttoning is able to do a.
Yeah, unbuttoning, he's doing it very easily, ma'am. Only he's not doing, but.
Okay, fine. No need to force Sukrit Gautam. Leave it. No problem. I have noted down. Sara also, what she is able to do, buttoning or unbuttoning?
Ma'am, she is able to button it, but she is finding difficult in unbutton.
Unbuttoning.
Yep.
Okay, fine. No need to pressure them. Leave it. Next
Ma'am,
is.
buttoned, ma'am.
Sorry.
He himself,
Sorry.
Sukrit himself buttoned it, ma'am.
Yeah, buttoning I have done. Unbuttoning only I didn't finish it. Another day I'll finish it with it. No problem.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
ma'am
next
Rudvin
Rudvin.
ma'am he is unbuttoning but he can't buttoning ma'am
Buttoning is finding difficult. Okay, fine. Let me note down. Mahirni's mom, I want you to want her to do this activity at home whenever she is free, and please
Okay, ma'am.
message me whether she is able to button and unbutton.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
If any one she is able to do it clearly, also you message me.
Okay.
Unbuttoning she is able to do unbuttoning very freely. Unbuttoning she is able to do, but buttoning she is not able to do.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Sure.
Thank you. Okay, children, come on, stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Parents, now we'll be doing our kids anthem rhymes and all. By the time I want you to prepare pencil shavings. Yes, sharpen the pencil and be ready with this pencil shavings, a transparent glass, and if you have this garlic peels also you can use. Garlic peels, pencil shavings, onion peelings also if you have you can use. I want all these materials today for concept time. Okay, a transparent glass of water, 3/4 of water. Yeah. Okay, children, join your hands and close your eyes. It's the anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, very good morning to everyone. Yes, good morning. Keep standing for the warm up activity. come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Very good, children. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back. Dashwan. Yes, good, ma Dashwan. Hazel. Hazel. Yes, very good, Hazel. Jason. Keshav. Keshav. Very good, Keshav. Radyani. Rudwin.
Yeah, I am mom.
Very good, ma Rudwin. Sarah. Very good, Sarah. Ananya.
Yeah, mom.
Very good, Ananya. Sukriv Gautam.
Yeah, mom.
Very good, Sukriv. Visha.
Yeah, mom.
Very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika.
Yeah,
Kavi Kartika. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Mahini. Very good, Magini. Mitra. Mitra. Taruneshwar. Taruneshwar. Very good, Taruneshwar. Varsha. Yeah, thank you, ma. Varsha. Vihan. Vihan. Very good, Vihan. Yeah, thank you, children. Who is going to sing over today?
I am.
Huh? Mm. Mm. Over. Come on, sing. Who is singing? Mm. Can he be? With his ears so short and tail so long. Oh, where can he be? Very good. Under a web, Ananya, under a web. Yeah, 1 minute. Mute yourself, mute yourself. Slice the bee. Busy, buzzing bee. Legs has she. Very good. Well done. Okay. Next is butterfly rhyme. Who knows? Who knows butterfly rhyme? First comes the butterfly. Yes, Hazel. Very good. Thank you so much. Okay. Next, rocket rhymes. Who knows? Who knows rocket? Sukriv Gautam. Yeah, come on. In his
In his
goes the astronaut in his rocket. Hi, yes, Mahini. Rocket. Thank you, Masukri. With the white moon. To all the people saying goodbye, goes the astronaut in his rocket. Hi, very good. Well done. Okay. Next, we are going to learn about concept. Okay. And the concept we are going to learn is pollution. Okay. What is pollution? What is pollution? Making something dirty. Okay, if we make our land dirty, air dirty, water dirty, so these are all called as pollution. Okay, as I asked you, come on, all of you, bring a glass of water. Yes, come on, bring a glass of water. Are you all ready with your materials? Bring it. Ready? Let me see all of your glass. Hazel, I can see. Others, please tilt your camera so that I can see what they are doing. Yes, children, now look here how the water is. How is the water now? How is the water now? Answer, children. How is the water now? எப்படி இருக்கு water இப்போ? Very good. Cleaner. It is very clean. Okay. Now, look, see what Bam is going to do. I am going to add something to the water now. Yes? Yes, see here. I added something to the water. Now, how is this water? Is it clean? Now, is it clean? Cleaner இருக்கா இப்போ cleaner இருக்கா? Yes, ma. Answer, everyone. You can answer. How is the water now? Yes, you also mix something inside the water. And look at the water, how is it? You also mix the materials, whatever you have. Whatever you have, you mix it inside the water and see how the water is. See here, can you see? How is water now? Dirty. Now will you drink this water?
Dirty.
Now will we drink this water? இந்த வாட்டர் இப்ப குடிக்கலாமா? ஏன் குடிக்க கூடாது? ஏன் குடிக்க கூடாது?
No.
No, why no? ஏன் குடிக்க கூடாது? Why we should not drink this water? Mom is going to drink. Shall I drink? Mom குடிக்கட்டுமா? குடிக்க வேண்டாமா? Why? Why I should not drink? Yes, ma? Yeah, dirty water. Very good. Because the water is dirty, should not drink. So this is known as pollution, children. Okay, and we are polluting the clean water by throwing all these garbages into the water, and the water is polluted now. Pollution na idudha. You are making the water dirty. இப்ப தண்ணில dirty ஆயிடுச்சா? How it became dirty? When we throw some garbage inside the water, it will become dirty. That is known as pollution. Okay, all of you say what is that? Pollution. Pollution. Likewise, when we throw all these garbages on the land, everywhere it is known as land pollution. And air. Now, what is air pollution? Air pollution means all the smoke. When you burn unnecessary materials, smoke will come out, right? So when the smoke mixes with the air, it is known as air pollution. So today we are going to see about all these pollution only. Now keep your water and glass aside. Now you know what is pollution, right? Yes, something when you make it dirty, it is known as pollution. Okay, we will not use polluted materials. Correct? Dirty materials will you use? You children will use dirty materials? Yes or no? You will use? Yes, sir? No, you will not use, right? Yes, if we are not able to use polluted materials, we should not pollute anything. Okay, so let's see. Is Ariel able to see my screen? Yeah, very good. Pollution. Okay, the topic is pollution. As I told you, when we make something dirty, that is known as pollution. When we are making a clean place dirty, when we are making a clean surrounding dirty, that is pollution. Okay, so there are 4 types of pollution. How many? 4. So what are these 4? First is air pollution. Second one is land pollution. Third one is water pollution. And the fourth one is noise pollution. Okay, number 1, air pollution. Number 2, land pollution. Number 3, water pollution. And number 4, noise pollution. Okay, so one by one we'll see what are the pollution. First is air pollution. Air na another kaathu. Okay, so what is air pollution? Can you see here what is happening here? Can you see the smoke here, children? Yes or no? Can you see the smoke here? It is going and mixing up with the air in the sky. See here? Air. What do we use air for? Air edhuk use pandrom namma? We use it for breathing. When all this smoke goes and mixes with the air, we will breathe the same polluted air. Yes, adhe dirty air da we will breathe. So we'll get cough and all. Okay, so we should not pollute air. See here, this much of smoke. Look at the screen. Is it good for the environment? Yes or no? The mari pollute achna, what will happen to the air? Air also will get polluted. Okay, see here. This is smoke from your vehicles. Look at the road, how smoky it is. Okay, so this is air pollution. Vehicles, when you get smoke from vehicles, factories and all, it is air pollution. Okay, and next we are going to see is land pollution. Land pollution means like how you know land transport and all. We learned, right? Land transport, air transport, water transport. The same way we have in pollution also. Okay, Land transport means the ground. Okay, the ground level, when we pollute it, it is known as land pollution. See here, land pollution, how much of garbage is here? This is land pollution. Is the land clean? Clean இருக்கா இங்க? Is it clean? No, it is full of garbage. See here, all these materials, batteries and all, if you drop it on the floor unnecessarily on the ground, see, all these plants will die. Can you see small plants here? Can you see small plants here, children? Green color plants here. Yes, like this waste will never allow these plants to grow, okay? See, plastic materials. Should not use plastic, as you already know. You should never use plastics, okay? So this is land pollution, okay? Next we are going to see water pollution. Water pollution means polluting the water. Can you see here water? தண்ணில என்ன இருக்கு? What is there in the water? What is there in water? See all those plastic bottles, lot of garbages in water. Is it good or bad, children? Is it good or bad? Bad. How will we use this water? We cannot use this water, right? We cannot use this water at all. Why? Because it is polluted, dirty water. See here. Oh my God, it's such a big lake. And see here, how much of garbage is here? It's not at all good, right? And see, all these polluted water coming out of the factories and all. Factories and all, they are working, right? From there, all these dirty water, they come and mix with the drinking water. See here, this also will pollute water. And see here, there is no water at all, full of waste only. Okay, so this is water pollution, children. Okay, who lives in water, children? What lives in water? What lives in water? Yeah, if we pollute the water, how those fishes will live? They will all die, right? So we should never pollute water, okay? So next is noise pollution. Noise means, what is noise? Do you know what is noise? What is noise? Anyone knows what is noise? Huh? சத்தமா இருக்கிறது. Yes, whenever a sound is higher, okay, medium sound is okay. Whenever you hear a sound which is very high, that is disturbing you a lot, உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸா இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா, that is noise pollution. Okay, shall we see some of the noise pollution? See here, when the vehicles, when they keep on horning, bam horn அடிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருந்தா, what will happen? We will not be able to hear. It is very disgusting, right? So that type of pollution is noise pollution. See here, drilling sound also, it is very high and it is not good for our ears. See, this man himself is wearing something to prevent that noise. Yes, see here. Okay, he himself is not able to hear that noise. Then how are we people will hear? This is also one type of noise pollution. And next, we celebrated Diwali, right? How many of you closed your ears while bursting crackers? எத்தனை பேரு crackers வெடிக்கும் போது காதை மூடிக்கிட்டீங்க? How many of you closed your ears? யாரெல்லாம் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணீங்க ears? ஐயோ அம்மா. Even I myself closed my ears. நானே காதை மூடிட்டேன். Because I am also frightened of crackers, okay? Because that bursting sound, damal dumil, I am also very scared of that sound, okay? That is also one type of noise pollution. But here you see another thing, children. While bursting crackers, smoke also will come out. Yes, poga kuda varuma. So this includes air pollution also. Okay, in the smoke varadanaala, it consists of air pollution and noise pollution both. Noise pollution irukku, air pollution irukku. Okay, sattama irukkaradanaala it is noise pollution and the smoke is coming on and it is mixing with the air, so it is also air pollution. Okay, both the pollution are there. Here see a man, he is cutting down the trees and the sound that comes out of that machine, cutting machine, it is very high, that is also noise pollution. And what we should not do here, children, is it good to cut trees? Trees வெட்டிடலாமா? Is it good to cut trees? Shall we cut all the trees? No, we should not at all cut the trees, okay? Because trees only will purify the air. Air சுத்தப்படுத்துறதே trees தான், okay? Trees purify the air and they bring rain also, okay? So we should never cut trees and we should plant more and more and more trees. Children, whenever you are free, whenever you are having some empty space near your house also, try to plant some trees, children, okay? It is good for us only, okay? See here how the land was before and now how it is. The green land changes into a dry land. Can you see? Can you see the difference between the tree? Half part is very nice, greenish and all, but the other half, it is very dry. It is not at all green. Which part do you like, children? எந்த part உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கு? The green part or the dry part? Which part do you like? Green part தானே நல்லா இருக்கு. So what we should do? Green part வேணும்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? What we should do? What we should do?
It's not pollute.
Yeah, we should not pollute. Very good, Vihan. We should not pollute the environment and it causes global warming. Yes, nowadays we are learning more about global warming, children. It is not at all good for us. Extreme heat, extreme cold and all, it is caused due to global warming only, okay? Only when we keep our surroundings clean. You are all very small children, okay? Only when you keep your surrounding clean. ஓகே அட்லீஸ்ட் உங்க வீட்லயாவது நீங்க சுத்தமா இருக்கணும், ஓகே? உங்க வீட்லயோ இல்ல உங்க வீட்டுக்கு சுத்தி இருக்க இடத்துலயோ wherever you see some garbage or some people polluting that place, straight away go and tell them don't pollute the area. Yes, you can see some people, they will just carry that garbage bag and just throw it away on the road. Is it good or bad, children? சில பேர் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, கார்பேஜ் பேக் எடுத்துட்டு போய் ரோட்லயே போட்டுட்டு போடுவாங்க. இஸ் இட் குட் ஆர் பேட்? பண்ணலாமா அந்த மாதிரி? வேர் வி ஷுட் த்ரோ த கார்பேஜ்? எங்க போடணும் கார்பேஜ? கார்பேஜ் எங்க போடணும்? Dustbin. Yes, government has allotted dustbins. Now a vehicle also is daily coming to our area to pick up the garbages and all, right? So what, even then more people, what they do? As usual, they carry all those garbages and throw it on the road. Whenever you see like that of people, you go and tell them, don't throw it here, throw it in the dustbin. It is our duty. Okay, it is our duty to tell them. Okay, children? And you also should not throw your garbages here and there in the house also. வீட்லயும் அங்க இங்கன்னு போடக்கூடாது. Eating banana and if you throw it on the home wherever you want, it is also a pollution. Don't do that. Throw it inside the dustbin. Okay, children? Okay, next shall we move on to our worksheet time? Yes, come on, all of you take your worksheet. D99LT. Ananya will take D99PH, okay? D99LT, children. Write today's date. Today's date is 2929-1111-2121.
Ma'am,
Yes?
99
No, 99 LT. LT or PH, whatever it is.
This is PH.
PH is here, no problem. Okay, why? Because in the old book it is given as LT. If it is LT also, PH also, whatever phonics worksheet you have, you do it. If it is different also, no problem. You are going to circle the first letter or else you will be writing the initial sound of that picture. Both are same only. All of you are having the same type of worksheet except Ananya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Okay, children. Come on here. What we are going to do is we are going to circle the initial sound of the picture. This first picture, what will be the sound? Sun. Which letter will you circle, children? Sun.
What letter is that?
Sound na enna circle பண்ணுவீங்க? Very good. S. Very good, Makesha. Circle S.
Do.
You just circle it, children. Need not color it. Don't waste your time. Just circle like this. It is given as coloring. Don't color it. Circle it. Okay. Next is dog. Which letter will you circle? D. Very good. Next is octopus. Octopus. Now it's dark. The lights go on. Oh. Very good. Oh. Next is bat. Bat.
In the letter.
Yeah, very good. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Very good. Standing line. Front curve is B, children. Backside curve is D. Next is jelly and jam. Jelly and jam. Which letter will you circle? Which letter will you circle?
In the letter.
J. Very good. J. Well done. Okay, next is fox. Fox. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. Which letter will you circle? F. Very good. Next is zebra. Which letter will you circle? Zebra. Z. Very good. Next is again a book. Book. Which letter will you circle, children? I don't know, children. Please help, ma'am. What will you circle? I know. I'm asking the letter. Next is flower. Flower.
Flower சொல்ல என்ன letter?
F. Very good. F. Good. Yes, finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. All of you? Is there anyone still doing this worksheet?
Name எழுது.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Who is doing still?
No, ma'am, he finished, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
No.
Okay. Now I want you to take worksheet number. Worksheet number 102. 102 LT. 102 LT. It will be like this. S from S to Z. Trace the letters and match the capital letters to the small letters, children. Make it fast. Come on. Before that, write today's date. Children, even if I say or if I'm not saying, you have to write the date. Okay? When you go to higher standards, you will get that practice then only when you follow it now. In each and every worksheet, where before starting, definitely you should write today's date. Yes, trace it fast and match it, children. 102 LT. Hereafter, children, whatever questions you are going to ask me, you are going to ask only in English, children. Okay, parents, please guide them. They want to ask anything, or if they finish their worksheet, they have to communicate in English. Very good, Mahazel. Finish. Those who have finished, please take worksheet number 100 CT. Worksheet number 100 CT. Okay, you will have this worksheet. Help this girl to throw the garbage into this bin, dustbin. Okay? Yes, find the path, children. D100 CT. D100 CT. Help the girl throw the waste into the dustbin. It is D100 CT. Yeah, fine. Yes, finish. Finish. Take the next page, children. Those are finished finding the way. Very good, Sukhdeep. Next page itself you take. D100 CT. Again, it's the homework sheet, HA sheet. This sheet, what comes next? Alternatively, what vehicle will come next? Come on, do it on your own. Let me see you are able to identify. First row, you have a ship, crane, ship. அடுத்து என்ன வரும்? Ship வருமா, crane வருமா? What will come? Will the same object come or another vehicle which is here? Alternatively, the vehicles are there. That is the pattern. One ship, one crane. One ship, one crane. One ship, one crane. அப்படிதான் வரும். Okay? Second one, bus, aeroplane, bus. Again, what will come? Bus or aeroplane? Okay. Next one, you have a kayak, car. Again, a kayak. What will you have? Car or kayak? Next is train, helicopter, train. What will be the next vehicle? Again, train or helicopter?
Ma'am, page number.
D100 CT. Yes, finish, children. Yes. Yes. Now all of you take worksheet number 104 LT. This page. Okay. Now, have you all taken 104 LT? Like this it will be. Yes. Here we are going to circle the action words, children. Okay. First row, you have 3 actions here. What is the first one? What action is that? Answer, children. What action is this? Yeah, very good. Jumping. Next one.
Sleeping.
Please, parents, don't teach them. Let them answer on their own. Sleeping. Okay. Third one. Third one. Eating. Very good. Now we have three actions here. In this three actions, circle jumping.
Just
Circle
jumping.
the jumping action. Slowly follow, ma'am. Children, don't do it on your own. Please, parents, don't ask them to do it priorly. Let them follow me.
Circle the
Circle the jumping. Jumping. Circled. Okay. Now we'll go to the second line. Okay. Second line. What is the action here? What this girl is doing? What the girl is doing? What is she doing? Singing. She is singing through a mic, right? Singing. Second, what this girl is doing with the ball? What is she doing? Playing. Very good, Hazel. She is playing. Okay. Third one, what the girl is doing with the book? What she is doing?
Solla.
Reading. Okay, she is reading. Now, out of these three actions, circle playing action. Circle the girl who is playing. Which girl is playing in the second row?
Circle it.
Which girl is playing in the second row? The moon girls, which girls is playing? Which girl is playing? Playing with the ball. Which girl is playing with the ball? Okay. Now the third row. Shall we move on to the third row? Third row. Here you can see a man. What he is doing? What is the man doing here? Eating. Eating. Okay. Next, what is the man doing here? Sleeping. Check with your book, children. Okay. Next, what is the man doing here? What action is he doing? Walking. Very good. Now, out of these three actions, circle the man who is eating. Who is eating? Which man is eating here? Yeah, good. Very good. Well done, children. Now you all know what is action words, right? Okay, now take the next page. 104. Empty. Circle the tallest object in each row. Tall. Roly poly, tall, tall, tall. Yes, tall na உயரமா இருக்கு. Circle the objects which is tall in these three. 104. Empty. This worksheet, taller one. எது tall இருக்கு? எது உயரமா இருக்கு? In this table, which table is tall? And then among these chairs, which chair is the tallest one? And then ladder, which is the tallest ladder? Tall na உயரமா இருக்கு. The tallest one. Finished? Let me see your worksheets. Those are finished. Yes, Vihan. Good. Ananya, finished? Yeah, good, Mavisha. Good. Yes, Rudwin, Kavi Kartika, Hazel. Sukri finished? Yeah, good. Good, Ma Sukri. Keshav, good. Good. Now take a color, children. Take a green color. Take any color, green color, okay? Dark green or light green. Take two colors, dark green and light green. Yes. Ready? Take dark green and light green. Both of the colors in your hand. Hold each color in your hand. Dark green and light green. You will have in your imaginary kit also, children, both the colors. You can take it. If you don't have crayons, you can use your imaginary kit colors also. Dark green and light green. Yes. Now I want you to show which is light green. Which is light green? Is light green?
It's one, ma'am.
Which is light green? Lift it up and show me. Both the hands if you show, which I will know. Yes. Light green? Yeah, good. Now dark green. Dark or green is it? Yeah, good. Dark green. Again show me light green. Light green. Light. Which is light, Ananya? Light. And now show me dark green. Darker green, the dark green, okay? Dark green. Okay, okay. Now take your light green crayon and worksheet number 105 empty. 105 empty. 105 empty. Yes. Now already we have circled the tallest object in each row, but in this page we are going to color the shortest object. This page, okay? Shortest object we are going to color, okay? See in each row which tree is very short. Short na enadhu kullama irukku, chinnada irukku, okay? Which is very short. Tall na உயரமா இருக்கிறது, not the taller one. Don't color the taller one, color the shorter one. Short. Which tree is shortest? Color that tree. Three rows, you have 3 rows of trees. In each row, find out which is the shortest tree. Shortest எது குள்ளமா இருக்கு, சின்னதா இருக்கு, அதுதான் shortest, okay? Yes, good. Good, Keshav. Circle only the shortest one. Tallest tree you should not color, children. Color only the shortest tree.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Vihan. Let me see your worksheet. Yeah, fine, good. Well done. Vihan's mom, can you please take snap of all the worksheets we have done today and send it in group so that the absentees will follow.
Okay, ma'am.
Lot of
Sure.
absentees today.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Yes, Visha, very good, Visha.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Sukhdeep Gautam. Very good, Kavi Karthika. Finished. Yeah, very good, Mananya. Good. Well done, children. Now close your books. Thank you, children. We'll send you the homework today. All of you definitely do your homework. Okay? Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow, children. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, bye, everyone.
To ma'am.
Yes, bye, and thank you, children.
Bye.
Yes, bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, children.